Now here is how we can change the background on your Mac computer. So there are more ways how you can actually get there. If you happen to be on your desktop like I am, you can actually right click on the home screen or the wallpaper and then go to the change wallpaper menu. And when you click on it like this, it will open up the settings and the wallpaper section. And so of course you can as well just go to settings and scroll to the wallpaper menu in here, and you can change the wallpaper as such. So of course you have some options, like you have some different cities and water, earth, then specific Mac wallpapers, some aerials, and some options which are prepared, which you can switch between. So of course you can choose any of them, or click on your own photos and choose some file from your Finder, like in here. So it's going to open up the browser, and if you have something on the desktop or in your downloads or somewhere, you can upload it, or you can as well go to your photos, which is like the dedicated Photos app, and you can as well choose something to be the background. You can see that's looking interesting, but yeah, you can always choose something else that you want, right? And if you download, or if you click on something which is not yet downloaded on your Mac, it's gonna just load up like this. So you have to wait for it a little bit, and after it's done, you can just have that available on as your background. So that's how it works. As you can see, it's pretty simple that way. Let me know what you think about it below. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.